Welcome to the new Amway website. Here's a tutorial on how to initiate conversion from a preferred customer to an Amway direct seller. Log into the new Amway website. Select My Account option from the drop-down menu on the home page. Click Start an Amway Business option. System will give you an option to redeem your loyalty points. Please ensure that you redeem all the loyalty points before initiating PC to ADS conversion. Please note that PC to ADS conversion option remains available only between 5th to 24th of every month. You should be 18 years or above to register as an Amway direct seller. If you are 18 years or above, please check this box. Check on privacy policy and terms and conditions. Verify the sponsor details as displayed in your sponsor section. Once sponsor details are verified, check the box if either you or your co-applicant have ever been an Amway direct seller in India before. Mention the previous distributor number in the given field. For PC to ADS conversion, keep your ID proof, address proof, and bank account details ready. Read the acknowledgement terms and click Continue. The mandatory orientation video, Introduction to Amway with details of Amway business opportunity, will start playing. After watching the entire orientation video, check the box to provide your consent that you have understood and agreed to the various aspects of Amway direct selling operations. Then click Continue. Fields marked in red are mandatory and cannot be skipped. PC details available in system will be displayed as pre-populated. Please review details carefully and edit if required. However, details like name, date of birth, and mobile number cannot be edited during PC to ADS conversion process. You may enter the PAN card details in the given field. Select the ID proof from the drop-down menu and enter the document number. Upload a copy of ID proof by clicking Upload Document. The supported document format are PDF, JPG, JPEG, PNG, DOC, and DOCX. Enter bank account details and IFSC code in the given fields. If you want to add a co-applicant, you can select the option I would like to add a co-applicant. Click Continue to proceed. Edit the address details as required. Select the address proof from the drop-down menu. Enter the document number and upload the document by clicking Upload Document. Click Continue. Update your email address and edit as required. Read the terms and conditions and click the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Click Submit. On clicking Submit, the preferred customer to ADS conversion request will be sent for further processing. Once the conversion request is approved, a confirmation email will be sent on your registered email ID. For more information, visit us at www.amway.in.